So,
Hello children, good morning. Myself Anil sir from St. Michael's Academy Betia, and we are here on the e-platform of St. Michael's Academy. So I am going to teach grammar segment of class 7, and that is lesson 1. It is all about sentence. I have got a book, and in that book the first part is sentence. Its definition is: a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. It has a subject and a predicate. So a sentence has a subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. How to identify what is where is subject, which part is the predicate one, that we will see later on, because it is not so given here exercise wise or example wise. Our first exercise is arrange the following jumbled words to make meaningful sentence. So I have written some examples here from the book, and that I am going to solve it. The first jumbled words are: should not the poor be ill-treated. This is the jumbled words. So when we will make it a sentence, it will be the poor. I am giving the numbering. The poor should not be ill-treated. The sentence will go: the poor should not be ill-treated. Again I am telling, these jumbled words will have a sentence like: the poor should not be ill-treated. I have given the numbering for because the space is not sufficient here. Okay. The second jumbled words are: yesterday left the Barmah for Goa evening. Now the sentence will be: the Barmah left for Goa yesterday evening. So this sentence will have the structure like: the Barmah left for Goa yesterday evening. Again I am repeating the sentence: the Barmah left for Goa yesterday evening. Okay. Our third sentence means jumbled words are: build we had sand castle in beach the near. So the sentence will be, we will start from here: we had built a sand castle near the beach. So this sentence will be like: we had built a sand castle near the beach. We had built a sand castle near the beach. The next jumbled words are: then showed the policeman way the. The sentence will become: the policeman. Here this is first part. The policeman The sentence will be, the policeman showed them the way. So in this way we are seeing how to rearrange the jumbled words into a sentence. There are some 4 or 5 more structures which I am going to write here. Our next example is threw, Sandeep, bridge, over, his, the ball. That is the jumbled group. And the sentence will become Sandeep threw his ball over the bridge. Again I am repeating, the sentence will become Sandeep threw his ball over the bridge. That is easy one. But this jumbled words are not so easy. The child Sohan into to save the jumped drowning river. It is a lengthy one, but no problem. Our sentence will become Sohan. We will start from here. Sohan jumped. Sohan jumped into. Sohan jumped into the river. So Sohan jumped into the river to save the drowning child. Again I am repeating, Sohan jumped into the river to save the drowning child. Our next example is, today Don has not assignment her Tanya. So when arranged in a proper manner, the sentence will become, Tanya has not done. Again I am saying, Tanya has not done her assignment today. Tanya has not done her assignment today. The last jumbled words are, Agra is in located Taj Mahal. It is easy one. So the sentence will become, the Taj Mahal. We will start from here. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Again I am repeating the sentence. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra. So in this way, in this book there are 8 jumbled letters and we have done this. So it is your homework. If you have books, no problem, you can do in books. If you have no books, then in anywhere in your copy, you will do this